Learn to make beautiful gemstone and wire jewellery with ease from home in this beginner's level course. Join founder of the London Jewellery School, Jessica Rose, in this fun, detailed online course, covering 4 beautiful projects and packed with techniques. Learn to master the briolette wrap, create neat loops, make your design stand out by creating your own wireframes to wrap with gemstones, and learn techniques for incorporating cast elements into your work. This course requires minimal tools, mainly pliers, and with these techniques you can make endless designs and collections to wear or sell as part of a jewellery business. As with all of our courses, you'll have lifetime access, downloadable course notes, and support from our tutors in the dedicated Facebook group. Enroll online and get started making your beautiful standout designs today.